Yeah, this is the same corner. This is a really like sharp U-turn. Most people that don't know this trail, you know, they're coming a little bit fast. They think they got it, and they just come straight here. Hey guys, Rhino here. So for today's job, we're going back to Santiago Canyon Trail. There's an Audi, and I believe it is a Q5 model or something like that, that run off the trail and down a hill. The thing about it is that it is the same spot as the Ford that we recovered about 2 years ago. So we know exactly where we're going, and you know, hopefully it'll be the same deal. This time we have Alfredo and Jorge. You know, he's with us today. Also, you know, Ryan is coming to help, and you know, we're heading that way. It's supposed to rain today, so hopefully not while we're doing the recovery. However, you know, once we're there, we won't stop until we get it out. So once I get there, I'll keep recording, and I'll probably be recording part of the trail for those of you who enjoy the trail footage. If you don't like the trail footage, please just skip forward to the recovery. And once again, you know, when I get there, I'll keep recording. Forecast today, supposed to rain, so hopefully it won't rain while we're up there, but if it does, you know, oh well. We're here, Maple Springs Trailhead. That's how you get into the Santiago Canyon Trail. So these guys just came from over there. They were at the site for the Audi, and they're telling us about, you know, how steep it is and whatnot. This guy right here, Brandon, he knows us. He follows us on YouTube and Instagram. So shout out to Brandon, you know, for saying hi. And we're getting ready, so we'll be on our way pretty soon. Okay, here we go. For those of you wondering, this trail is really easy. The deeper you go into the trail, you will find a couple of the spots, you know, that are just a little bit difficult, but nothing, you know, nothing hard at all. And also, if you go here, just make sure you drive carefully. We have a car coming, so let's move to the side. Okay, I believe that's the owner. So we just met with the owner, you know, the father of the driver, and they were telling us how lucky they are that the car stopped and didn't roll over, and you know, all the occupants, they came out, you know, with no harm, no scratches, no nothing. So it is really a good thing, because other vehicles that we have recovered from there, they're completely mangled. And a lot of people had been hurt bad, you know, on that turn that we're going to. So luckily, you know, they made it out all in one piece and with not so much of a scratch. So we're just gonna keep going now. Right at this curve that I'm making right now, we found a couple that had run off the trail and down the hill. Luckily, the bushes stopped their car from going all the way down, or else they wouldn't be able to climb out or probably be alive. So if you come to this trail, just, you know, keep in mind that there's sharp turns and there's cliffs on both sides. go check it out. How you doing? Nice. Yeah, this is the same corner. This is a really like sharp U-turn. Most people that don't know this trail, you know, they're coming a little bit fast. They think they got it, and they just come straight here.
Yeah, and they tried to pull it out one day.
What did he send me? It looked more.
So they ended up
Less inclined.
Less inclined. Yeah, right now it's more. See? That right there? Jeez, it's freaking...
Car coming, guys.
Yeah, that Jeep over there looks like it's been here for a while. And they took the wheels off for sure.
we have vehicles all along the course. Ortega Highway, North Main Divide.
Look at that.
Mark them with a big orange X, either white or orange or whatever visible to identify.
And George is down there checking out the other vehicle too. Let's keep going. Look at that. There's her. I mean, what's holding it? Literally. I mean, maybe the dirt, but that's about it. What's the reason that it stopped right there? Not sure, but thank God it did. You know, all the occupants, they came out unharmed, which is, you know, it's a good thing, because they could have gone all the way down to where George is.
Hey, this one rolled so hard, all wheels came out.
Look at that.
Se le salieron hasta las llantas.
Look at that. There's two more vehicles around the corner from this one. I know that's scary right here. I shouldn't be standing right here. I know you guys are gonna say something, which is I understand, but let me move because I just realized that too. And look at this. There's one right here. You know, we can see it from the top. But this right here, we couldn't even see this. So we'll see right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. It's been here for a while. There's another one right there. ¿Qué pedo?
Güey, aquí está madre, güey. Este Jeep está siendo detenido por un pickup que está aquí abajo, güey, si no me la crees.
No mames, let's see. Let's check it out. So he's saying there's a pickup under the Jeep holding it in place pretty much.
Yeah.
We'll see. Hold on.
Imagine the world fool that we live in.
Shoot, how?
Died in the 70s to hold this one in the...
Yeah, but how? Like, how did they get that way down here like that?
Yeah. They must have been hauling ass and never put a brake on. And then reversed?
I know, that's what I'm saying. How does that happen?
You fucking flipped the fuck out of it.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You see it?
Yeah. I wonder how old is it, you know, that it's been here.
You should have dates on this. He was just saying that there was a fatality in the 2000s, like early 2000s, like 03. And this looks, you know, new enough.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can you grab me the vent, please?
Yep.
That's pretty dangerous, you know, looking at it from here. So we're standing right in front of the path of the vehicle. Like if it keeps going, that's it. Right now they have it on park and whatnot, so hopefully it won't move until we're ready to move it.
Motorbike, and he actually responded to that. He was telling me, you know, that was a girl. Yeah, it was a girl.
Wow. I just wonder how it went down and make the turn.
Yeah. Well, it seems like it hits it like ramp, and then it hits that, and then it kind of tumbles down that way.
Yeah, and it landed facing, uphill.
Think of a half pipe, kind of goes up one side,
And then it
it goes back down. That's what I'm seeing, because that's a seasonal creek drainage right here.
Okay.
So only when it rains we get water down there.
All right.
But that upside down Grand Cherokee happened, I want to say 4 or 5 years ago. They were supposed to remove it, and it never got removed. And then one day, one of our LEs was out here and caught some kids taking the tires off of it. And he made them hike it back down and put the whole thing back together.
All right, so we got 2 lines hooked up to the Audi. Mine has some tension on it already. We're gonna see if we can bring it up like that. More than likely, yeah. And then we're gonna be installing a safety line, and we'll be pulling it out soon. So we'll see. We got Boss Lightyear here. Put it on. To infinity and beyond. We got some spectators here. All right, reverse it all the way.
Ahí está, right there. Just keep it like that.
Reverse it all the way.
Just keep it in neutral. Does it stay in neutral? With it off? Okay.
Parking brake.
Parking brake off.
Okay, let's see what it does. All right.
Okay, so we give it a pull and it's coming out along just fine. We're rigging and let's go for a second
Close
pull.
that.
Let's see how far. Whoa! It's right there.
No, I'm saying if it's not necessary, it's not necessary.
No, it's not necessary, pero ese strap is a toe closed system, pero stronger than that fucking strap. And I need you to pull that. So basically, you're gonna be fucking over here. We're gonna.
We still got a little ways to go. This part right here, that's the steepest part. It doesn't look on the video again like it is, but it is. You know, there's a dip right there. So that's gonna be the toughest part right there. But you know, it's coming up just fine.
La misma medida.
Sí. Agárrate de la línea, agárrate de la línea.
Yeah, no, I agree.
This is your.
It's coming. It's coming. All right. I'm not sure why they make a stop, but let's go check it out.
We gotta get that rock out of the way.
And then the wheel straight.
The wheel straight.
Oh yeah, the wheels they turn.
I need something to turn down there.
So we got them at about a 45-degree angle right there. It's almost out. We're pulling
Is that long enough?
the truck and 2 winches just to make sure. And now we're getting another safety line just to make sure, because over here over the bump that's where the most stress on the lines is going to happen as we try to go over the bump.
You got my phone?
So we'll see right now.
Shit.
shit, man. Maybe.
They were just hanging out right there, probably for a little while, and then they said, "Let's go home now." And
It's possible, man. I'm just trying to I'm trying to picture how the vehicle got down there and the way you're pulling it out. I'm just trying to figure out in my brain how that's even freaking possible. You know what I mean?
So ideally, we need something to hook right here and right here, so the wheel doesn't turn, or we can just.
So George tied up the
shit,
steering,
the fucking,
so the wheels
ratchet.
wouldn't move anymore.
Ratchet's right there.
So we're gonna try it.
Yeah, do this.
And it's out. We just need to have somebody drive it, so it won't, because it's a neutral, so we don't want it to just keep going and crash into us. So
We're getting ready to roll again. So. Oh, it wasn't bad. Okay, are you doing? The tires are still straight, so we're good.
it's always a relief once we see it out. Like, you don't notice it, but we're stressed, when we're pulling it up and whatnot. But it's like I don't notice it. But once the car is almost out, then I can feel like an ease coming over me, which is always good. So let's finish it. There it goes. It's out. So this one was a little bit more difficult due to the steepness, of the incline. But we were able to get it out. Shout out to the
You guys be safe, all right? Take care.
to the forest patrols right here, the forest rangers. And again, guys, thank you for following us. Thank you for liking our videos. Please share and subscribe. And of course, we'll see you next time.
Another great recovery by Rhino Off-Road Recovery, Cavalry, and Honest Toe. All together, we're California Off-Road Recovery Group. You can call us anytime.
There you go.